Hey guys, so good morning, Adina. It's a great day today because it's sunny. It's sunny day. Lumabas na rin yung araw sa wakas. So we're just gonna try to compress kung ano yung pwede namin gawin ngayon. Unfortunately, wala na daw talagang snow dito banda sa Sapporo. You have to go to the mountains. Actually, kung nakikita nyo doon, yan sa likod, hindi na yata nakikita. May mga mountains talaga na covered pa ng snow. We tried asking if we can go there. Nahihirapan kami dahil may kasama kaming baby. So today, I'm just gonna bring them first to Odori Park, yung pinuntahan namin kahapon. Tama nga, Odori Park yung pangalawang pinuntahan ko, and then yung una kong nakita yung Sapporo Clock Tower. So, and then later, let's see kung anong pwede natin punta. Yan guys, so sayang na wala yung tunog. Narinig yung mga ibon. Halos walang mga tunog ng tao. Puro ibon lang. Listen to that. Narinig nyo ba? So ito na siya sa malapitan. I still don't have an idea of what this is, but really the structure really looks cool. So Sapporo Kita Trade Show Plaza. A comfortable space enjoys this stroll. So this is for relaxing. Oh, nice. Love the sun being out today. Thanks God, really great day today. So let me stand corrected. Meron akong maling nasabi kagabi. Tama. Ito po, ayan. Ayan ang Sapporo Clock Tower talaga. Yung pangalawa ko napuntahan kagabi, yun yung Odori Park. So ayan, si Sapporo Clock Tower. Open siya na 8:45. Ibayad, well, wala pang alas 8 kasi. Ayan. Okay, nice view in the morning. Now, from this place, bigla mo na makikita yung ayan o, isang satellite nila sa Odori Park. Good morning. This is Sapporo. Look at that. So we are here again in Odori Park. Tingnan natin siya kung paano siya sa umaga. I actually bought some food. See kung pwede kami dyan mag-breakfast, kung meron bang upuan. So that's Odori Park here. Ayan siya. Wow, look. Oh, my little Adina eating at the park, Odori Park. Eating. Wow, you say hi to them. Hi. We suddenly saw Tanuki Koji Shopping Arcade. I think mas malapit to kaysa pupunta namin. So let's go there. They still have it here. Nice. So on our way to that Tanukoji, tama ba? Dadaanan muna natin yung Susukino. Susukino is a place here na famous sa nightlife. Pero umaga. So, morning life mo titignan natin doon. But yeah, it's famous for the nightlife. Beer. So, andito na pala tayo sa Tanukikoji Street. So, itong mahaba na to, yan. Isang mahaba na to, it's a shopping district. So, para rin siyang Namba na mahaba na famous sa shopping. But before tayo pumunta dito, daanan muna natin yung Susukino kasi malapit lang din naman. Ito na yung yung shopping street. Parang Namba. Puntahan muna natin yung ayun, knock knock.
Who's there?
Namba.
Namba.
Can I get your Namba? Panis. And meron din silang Ferris wheel na nasa taas ng building. That's crazy. Susukino, malapit lang siya dun sa shopping strip na napunta natin. So, wow, this is big. Oh, ito yung malaking street nila. Look at that. Wow. Ito siguro yung main road nila kasi mas malaki to compared to any street na napuntahan namin. Wow, I'll let you see it guys, wait. Sarap ng araw, grabe. Ayan yung naging ko yung sign na siniresearch ko gabi, yung Susukino. Yan yung tumatak sa akin yung sign na yan. Oh, ang ganda. Wow. Ito na tayo sa Tanukikoji Street. Let's see kung may bukas na kasi pasado alas 8 pa lang talaga. Oh, mga pang bike. Oh. Oh. Ay, nasa Don Quixote na naman po kami. Gastos na naman to, for sure. Adi, what do you want? Adi. Hi. Kawaii.
Thank you.
Hi. So, it's 9 o'clock. Medyo ang bukas pa lang yung Donkey kasi I think Donkey is 24 hours. Tapos ilang restaurant pero karamihan talaga sarado pa. So we wanna head back to the hotel first. Pahinga doon and then check out. Then kill time kasi ang flight namin pabalik na Osaka mamaya pang hapon. So yeah, we're checking out the wonderful Hotel Sapporo by Cranwell. Medyo tahimik lang kasi tulog yung baby. So it's now 11 o'clock. I think we have about 3 to 4 hours time to kill. So we want to go to JR Observatory Tower and then Pokemon Center and then head back to the hotel. So yan, let's go. So yan, now walking towards JR Observatory Tower. Check out namin, dala na namin lahat ng gamit namin. So medyo maraming lakaran to na maraming bit-bit. At sana hindi masyadong mag-iiyak-iyak si Adina dahil may time na umiiyak siya. Diretso lang. No, tama. Alam ko yun, in the hotel and we have to go to the 6th floor as per them. And press P8. Okay. Entrance to 6th floor. I think yeah, it's going here. Just try to look for. That's the JR Tower entrance to Tower 3A. So there, tickets. How much are the tickets? Let's see. general admission. No, adults for 740 yen. We got 2 tickets for right about 600 pesos, 590 plus. Murang-mura na. So, ito ang explanation nila. This is built in 2003. Ganyan ang tower. Tapos, ito ang Taipei 101, Burj Khalifa. So, yun ang difference. We just got in. Wow. Yeah. Oh, wait. Let's go here. Wow, look at that. Wow. This is nice. You actually can sit here. Yeah, put the baby here and then just sit and then enjoy the view. Wow. This is the west side, by the way. That's the south part. South part maganda din. Pero yung pinaka-mountain niya kasi nasa west side. Wow. That is just great. So far, really enjoying the place. It's nice to kill time over here. It's quiet. Look, and just really looking at that view. So relaxing. So, grabe, wala akong masabi. Napakaganda. Napakaganda. Let's try to take a look at the east side. Oh. East side, ang ganda din. Ang dami ding mountains. But there, oh wow. Wow, look at that. That's huge. Wow. Grabe, ganda. Wala akong masabi. Just look at that scene. So, we just finished eating here. Dito rin malapit, dito rin sa may JR. Dito sa tower na to. And then now we're going to the Pokemon Center. Gising na yung baby ko, gising na. Andito lang daw pala din yun. Same, actually kabilang building, kadikit lang. So, tara. Punta tayo sa Pokemon Center. Let's go! We're here at the Pokemon Center here in Sapporo. Wow. So let's see kung anong makikita. Pikachu! Ha? You want that? Uy, gusto ko yung mga ganyan sa kanya kasi nilalaro ko siya ng ano, ng mga puppet. You want? Dalawa, magkano yung ganyan? Let's see how much the... Oh, mura lang naman. 3,850. Ah, mura. Pwede na yan. Sige, pili ka. You want Pikachu?
Pika.
Ay, gusto niya.
Hello, Adina. My name is Pikachu.
Dapat dalawa, so ayan. So may,
Bulbasaur.
I'm really not a big fan of Pokemon. Ngayon ha, pero dati oo naman, of course. But yeah, let's try to see ito mga Pokemon cards. Hindi na tayo nagaganyan. Parang puro stuff toy. Puro stuff toy nga. So cute. Ako dapat yung bibili, di ba? Ako yung nagpunta dito eh. Oo, tignan mo nangyari. Oo. Siya yung nagkaroon. Sige na, let's buy that. So, we're now heading back to the airport. Actually, sobrang pagod na namin. Pagod na yung pa ako. We still have time though to roam around, but we'd rather just stay in the airport and rest over there. So, yan. Nako, pareho tayo. Nabitin din ako. Actually, yung isang araw hindi enough para ikutin yung Sapporo. Saka, well, hindi natupad yung wish namin na mag-snow dahil sa mga pagkakataon. But still, we enjoyed, right? And we're definitely going to be back. Right, Adina? Right? Alright, so, well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you, and hope you guys will subscribe, no? And thanks so much, everyone. Let's make it a great day. Bye-bye. You say, Madam, bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.
See you again.
Love you.
Bye.